Heading to the happiest place on earth during the holiday season? Here are top tips to make your trip extra jolly. Purchase your tickets in advance. Reservations are currently required in addition to park admission at the Disneyland Resort. We recommend buying and reserving as early as possible for the best selection. Even if you need to visit during more crowded weeks, you are in for a merry good time. The great news is that during busy times, the parks are open for longer hours and offer more entertainment. You can see Disneyland park hours on our crowd calendar. Plan the best time to visit. And speaking of our crowd calendar, hop over to see the best times to visit. Don your holiday spirit early with visits during the first 2 weeks of December for the lowest anticipated crowds. The weeks of Thanksgiving, Christmas, and the New Year are usually very busy. But don't let the fear of crowds scare you away. Just make sure to adjust expectations for your time in the parks and expect longer delays in parking, security, and lines. Make way for colliding holidays. Is it Halloween? Is it Christmas? The Haunted Mansion Holiday Overlay has a bit of everything as the Pumpkin King decks the halls for the holiday season. Keep an eye out for the giant gingerbread house. And keep an eye out for special touches. It's a Small World also undergoes a magical transformation for the holidays with an incredible lighting display on the ride's facade. And of course, don't forget Sleeping Beauty Castle. Alight with icicles, Disneyland's icon makes for a breathtaking backdrop during the season. You may even catch snowfall on Main Street. Get some holiday shopping done. New this year, you can find a year-round holiday store at Disneyland Park Plaza Point. Located on Main Street, USA, this new holiday shop is the place to go for seasonal items, from personalized ornaments to home goods. Grab an entertainment schedule. Fireworks? Check. A Christmas fantasy parade? Check. Snowfall on Main Street? Check. Believe it or not, the gifts keep on giving when it comes to holiday entertainment. Be sure to check the showtimes to plan your day. Don't forget about the Festival of Holidays. Over at Disney California Adventure Park, Disney Festival of Holidays celebrates the season's cultural festivities, including Christmas, Navidad, Hanukkah, Diwali, Kwanzaa, and Three Kings Day. Through January 9th, 2022, guests can enjoy character sightings, including the debut of Mirabelle from Disney's Encanto. With a variety of hop-in entertainment and a whole marketplace of festival food, there's no shortage of fun. There's even a street fiesta and free crafts. Get a Sip and Savor Pass. Want to try, well, everything? Us too. The Sip and Savor Pass is a great way to taste your way around the festival, giving you 8 tabs to redeem for food and non-alcoholic beverages at participating marketplace kiosks. Save room for treats. Would it even be the holidays without some festive food? You'll be making your list and checking it twice to make sure you get all of it in across Disneyland Resort. Make a pit stop on Route 66. Even Cars Land gets in the seasonal spirit. Every address along Route 66 gets a holiday makeover. At dusk, check out the Cars Land lighting. Luigi's Joy to the World and Mater's Jingle Jamboree even gets seasonal ride overlays complete with holiday music. A trip to Disneyland during the holidays is truly a gift the whole family will enjoy. Hop over to UndercoverTourist.com today to view our crowd calendar, read our blog, and book your next vacation. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.